Okay, now I'm going to show you my soldering technique. So, we take our jumper at the appropriate level to the bar pair, run it across to where our bar pair is. Now you can see that the jumper's just caught on the block. Now with this, if you look at my hands, you can see that with just a little movement like this, backwards and forwards, you can shake the jumper free from the block. This works on a larger frame as well as a small one. Then we come around the back with one hand, lift up the jumpers and pass the jumper underneath the others. This prevents congestion. Then we put it through the back of the block at the appropriate level to where our bar pair is. And leave it there for a second. We use our soldering iron to clean off our tags, using the 81s to remove any excess, tapping into our solder iron holder. And the same for this tag. Making sure they're nice and clean. This makes it easier for next time when another jumper has to be soldered onto the same position. So, we make sure our jumper's at the same level. We use our 81s to strip them, like so. Then we take our 81s and just tweak them over, like that. We grab hold of the yellow, pull our jumper back, keeping tension to our bar pair tags. Wrap it round. 1, 2, 3. Done. Then our green, if we can get hold of it. Okay. You see that kink in the wire just helps you just catch onto there nicely. Wrap it round again, keeping tension at the back again. Lovely. Then we use our soldering iron. Heat up the tag for a second. Now, we touch the solder on the soldering iron. And you see, it just fills the jumper under there. Then the next one, again, soldering iron, using the minimum amount of solder. So next time, when you come to take it off, you shouldn't actually need to clean the tags because the jumper just comes straight off, like so. And the yellow as well, like that. And that is the fastest way that I've found to solder.